Alhamdulillah, 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 alhamdulillah. Sweets caught it in hit. Alhamdulillah, 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 alhamdulillah. Sweets caught it in hit. I just want pull up in coops. I just want more for loose. I just be dripping in cool. I just be tripping in news. Kick it with goons. I just be smoking the fumes. I just might fly to the moon. I just get high like balloons. I just be out making moves. I just be sipping that juice. I just be spending for loose. I just be dripping in juice. I just be wet like I'm pools. I just don't care about no rules. I'm just a far with a tool. I just be killing you news. All of my guns hit that blue. Fortnite I'm getting a loot. Dropping the top on my coupe. Coupe and it came with no roof. Yeah, I just give it my juice. Say I hit a lick, alhamdulillah. Oh, you're getting dead. Alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah,
I'm Andres Verna. I'm with Gravel Kings. This is the Off-Road Expo, day one. Let's see what we can get ourselves into. A little quick wardrobe change. And then let's start walking. Should we go find Anthony West at Team West? Anthony West?
What's going on, guys?
So, what do you think about the Off-Road Expo this year? How's the turnout?
It is lit. There's people every which direction. We just did a demo about an hour ago and had the biggest crowd I've seen so far. Fortunately, had somebody try and sabotage our run.
Yeah, what happened there?
Somebody unplugged 3 spark plug wires on the truck. Yeah, before I went out there. But we'll be back and have no issues. So it's not nice to mess with people's trucks, but so
that makes a lot more sense. I was wondering why it wasn't running at its full potential.
Yeah. Yeah. Hopefully at 3 o'clock we'll be all good. I'm gonna run through everything one more time, and we'll be out there shredding the rest of the tires off.
James with Terra Crew. James, come here. So we're here with Gravel Kings.
Yes.
How are you doing?
Hey, how you doing, man?
You're on.
Are you filming? Yeah. What up, dudes?
There we go.
How's it going?
All right. So what do you think about the expo this year?
It's going pretty good.
What's your favorite type of pizza?
I don't do any sauce, just pineapple juice. In between the cheese and the bread. No, I'm just kidding.
There we go.
No, I would never ever do that in my life.
All right. We're here with Gravel Kings. We're doing interviews on random fucking people.
Oh, am I random?
Enough.
All right. Good.
So you're asking the questions this time.
What are you doing here?
I have no clue. I didn't even know I was getting mic'd up until about 20 minutes ago. He's the filmer getting filmed. That's kind of crazy.
Camera reception.
Camera reception. So, chair or umbrella?
Umbrella.
Why should we buy it?
Why?
Yeah.
Because I said so.
Or can I just like stab you with it?
You want to die?
I kind of do want to die, so maybe I should just.
If you do it fast enough, it jiggles.
Does it? Oh my God, he wasn't lying. Kind of hot, not gonna lie. Oh my God, we have to interview Roy. What's your favorite shock?
The ones that work.
Do you like Fox?
I don't have any affiliation with any major brands or producers.
That's what I like to hear. What's your favorite pizza place?
Man, there's a pretty good vegan pizza place in LA.
Wrong answer.
What's it called? Cruisers.
Pizza Hut. No one can out
Pizza the Hut?
That's what I was getting at.
It's doable.
It's not doable.
I've seen it.
What do you think about Gravel Kings?
They're great.
Yeah?
Well, there's BP right there.
We love BP.
Yeah.
Do you like mushrooms?
I love mushrooms.
Did you shave your balls this morning?
No.
Favorite condom?
What are those?
That's what I like to hear. What do you think about food here?
Oh, it's amazing.
Can I have a bite?
You have a bite.
That's what I like to see. We have Tyler on the phone. and we're trying to find them. Don't hang up, we need content.
You need to go walk inside. I'm looking at the entrance right now.
I'm inside, where are you? I can't find you. Oh my God, I see him. So, today, you're getting interviewed instead of interviewing people. What do you think?
Ka-chow.
Ka-chow? How much ka-chow? All the ka-chow?
Ka-chow.
Ka-chow?
Ka-chow.
Ka-chow. Let's interview Kylie. What do you think about today?
I don't know, we just got here.
What do you think about it?
I know, we literally just got here right now.
And what do you think about it?
It's fun, I guess, I don't know.
It's fun.
We haven't even walked around yet.
Yeah, like we
literally just got here, so.
I'm getting double teamed right now and I don't like it.
Yeah.
Hey, whoa,
hey,
whoa,
hey.
whoa, hey, not the fucking hat, bro, that's new. You piece of shit. There we go. Now we both have heat waves on, inside.
Yeah.
Do the sunglasses stay on during sex?
Yeah.
Why were you late today? Did you like forget to shave your balls and have to turn around?
I was up at 3 in the morning yesterday and didn't go to bed till like 12 at night, so.
I didn't sleep. How does that make you
That's
feel?
good for you, I don't care.
Fuck you, Tyler.
You know, so right here we got some premium stickers everywhere from Dirt Designs to Gravel Kings. You see, you got different sizes, shapes. You can put on cars, babies, kids, friends, families, RVs, motorhomes, and everything in between.
Did you just say put them on babies?
Yes, and you can go ahead and put them on babies. They are baby friendly. There you go. You see, these are flying off of the shelf. They're also limited edition. You can only go ahead and get them for a one-time limited special opportunity at Off-Road Expo. Now, if you missed it, there are some upcoming shirts, stickers, and everything in between. Catch us at the other events as well.
Testing, 1, 2, 3. Should we put some stickers as pasties on VP? Put it on him.
I'm gonna put these right here. Yeah, the van.
Why are you touching my nipples, VP? I don't have peanut butter. Blake. Say something.
Hi.
Hi.
Hello.
Hello. Did you get water yet? Thank God.
Want some? We're at the Shreddy Shack. It's a vibe, dude. Today's a vibe, dude. It's Sunday. It's day 2. It's getting a little spicy out. We got another demo at 3, and I hope the tires make it.
No, come here. Say something.
Yeah.
Who are you? What's your name? No.
Me? Yes. The camera. Hi. My name's Amy.
What are you doing?
I'm just here walking around.
Okay. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Here's Max. Hi, Max.
Yep.
What did you buy today?
What did I buy today?
Yeah.
I didn't buy anything. But we did pick up some of these nice power tanks for our race program.
Nice.
So we got some portable air for when we get out there and test the top off some tires.
I don't want any more stickers on me. No.
Gotta even it out. Here,
Put it underneath.
No, let's pull it like that.
Let's go get more stickers then. There's so many people. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This kid's following me with a camera. I don't like it. Why does he keep following me? I think it works. Darren, can you say hi to the microphone?
Hi to the microphone.
Thank you. That's a 4.0. That's a 5.5. 5.0. Say something to the microphone. You having fun?
We're from Hawaii.
From Hawaii? How do you say mainlander in Hawaiian?
Haole?
Haole?
Haole.
No howlies.
No haole.
No haole.
Haole, haole.
Locals only! Hey! Mahalo. I'm not an influencer. God bless. Make it run.
من بيت البيت وقلنا